Welcome to the Information Center of International Contractors. If you enjoy what you are provided, please support us by liking and subscribing. Tender announcement, Parwanipur, Pokhariya 132 kV transmission line project. This tender, identified as PMD/PTDSSP/HPP/2080/8101, Package C 2.2.3, is for the supply, installation, testing, and commissioning of the Parwanipur, Pokhariya 132 kV transmission line. The tender is associated with loan number 3943 NEP, SASEC Power Transmission and Distribution System Strengthening Project, and is part of the Government of Nepal's efforts to improve its power infrastructure. The Asian Development Bank, ADB, is providing the financing for this project, and the payment will be made under the named contract. Bidding is open to eligible bidders from ADB member countries. The Nepal Electricity Authority, as the project's employer, has issued this invitation for sealed bids. Interested parties must submit their bids by the deadline of February 24, 2025, at 12 o'clock Hours Nepal Standard Time. This project aims to enhance the nation's power transmission capabilities by establishing a new high-voltage transmission line.